Baking Day at Grandma's, written by Anika Denise and illustrated by Christopher Denise. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. Bundle up, it's time to go out across the drifts of snow. Past the pond, so smooth and clear, little cottage drawing near. Knock, knock, knock on Grandma's door. Hear her pad across the floor. Plant a kiss on Grandma's nose. Cosy fire, warming toes. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. Pass out aprons, 1, 2, 3. Grandma reads the recipe. Flour, sugar, butter, eggs. Stand on chairs with tippy legs. Wooden spoon and measuring cup. Mix the batter, stir it up. Fold it gently in the pan. Lick the spoon, because we can. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. Hop down from the tippy chair, smell the sweetness in the air. 1 hot cocoa at each place, frosty window, smiley face. Old-time music, soft and sweet, skippy notes and tapping feet, learning songs that Grandma sings when the kitchen timer rings. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. Flip the pan and out it pops. Cut in squares and frost the tops. Add some sprinkles, wrap each one, tie a ribbon, nearly done. Tasty treats in pretty bags, each one marked with little tags. Coats and boots and hats and gloves, the hugs we know that Grandma loves. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. Walking home under the moon, back to visit Grandma soon.